Hi, welcome to Kyong's kitchen. Thank you for watching. 안녕하세요. Today I'm going to share a brand new recipe that Law inspired me called vegan Swiss steak. And usually Swiss steak, they are the tough beef. They're cooking for the slow cooking with tomato sauce, and put some tomatoes or potatoes and carrots, onions to make a wholesome meal. But since this is a vegan, I will show you how to make a vegan steak and everything go together. So let's go and start. This is gonna have two parts. So we're gonna have broth. So let's go and turn some fire on. Okay. And you will need the broth. First you need 3 cups water, then 3 tablespoons and black wicked amino called the soy sauce unfermented, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and half teaspoon onion powder, half teaspoon garlic powder, 1 tablespoon nutritional yeast flakes, and mix together. And the broth has been boiling, so we're gonna let it sit and boil. Next step, you have to have a blender, and you will need a half cup walnuts or pecans. The walnut is very high in omega-3. It's wonderful for your brain function, also good for your heart. Next, you will need 1/4 teaspoon salt and half teaspoon onion powder, half teaspoon garlic powder. Now we are going to close this one and blend it until creamy. It looks pretty creamy. So next you will need 1 cup gluten flour. Gluten flour is the protein substrate from the wheat. So this is protein. And I'm going to add 1 tablespoon whole wheat flour. I'm going to show you how to make vegan steak. Mix it first. And this is walnut mixture. And we're going to put this one to here. Do you know that when walnut touch the water, it changes the color like a beef? And also when you add some walnuts in the gluten, it has a really tender vegetarian meat texture in there. So praise God. And God inspired me to mix all together to make a taste good and tender. Okay, see how fast it's mixing it? It doesn't take much. Okay, from here, you need to have cutting board. Put some spray oil, otherwise it will stick to the cutting board. Then you're gonna make steak. Wow, water is boiling. Broth is boiling really good. So make it about 8 by 6 and 1 inch thick. So just eyeball. You have to have a large saucepan. This is about good. Then pick it up, put it in the boiling broth. Then I'm gonna turn the heat up. Next one, you will need 3 medium-sized potato. And you can cut it in large chunks. So I cut about this size. And you need 3 medium size. So go ahead, put this around the steak, not inside, not in the middle, around it. Potato is such a good for your heart and it help you lower blood pressure. And the best vegetable for your stomach health. Next one, you will need 2 carrots and cut in about 1 inch ring. Same thing. I'm gonna put it around it like that. The next one, you will need 1 medium size onion. And same thing. It's like making a vegetable wreath around the steak. Then onions, such a good for lowering blood pressure, and good for diabetes, and kill the germs and bacteria. Praise God, God put all the good things in. Just onion. Okay, from here, once you just let it continue boil, then when it starts to boil, you need to reduce the heat to low and cover, cook for 30 minutes. And then 30 minutes later, I will show you the next step. So don't go away. Welcome back. It has been cooking for 30 minutes. So let's go and check. There it looks. Oh, very good. And they're all done. But next step, you will need 1.5 cups vegan spaghetti sauce. I'm going to use spaghetti sauce instead of tomato sauce. And you will need 1/2 cup water. Then you will need 1 tablespoon sweet basil. And mix it thoroughly. This is like a 1 meal deal. And it had a protein, vegetables, yum, yum, yum. And it was really, really good. Then you're gonna put this one on top of it, top of the steak and vegetables, and cover them. It has enough to cover. Yes. And you can just help them to cover better. Then after that, you're going to cover, continue cook 10 more minutes. So I'll be back, so don't go away. Welcome back. After 10 minutes, this is amazing. From here, you can just cut it from inside. And this one, you can serve up to 6 people. So I will just cut the steak. They're so tender, you can just cut it with a spoon. Then we're going to put it on here. Look at that. Can you see it? And you can put some potatoes and some carrots, potatoes, and onions. Look at this. Looks so good. My husband is potato man. He loves to have potato. Now I love carrots. So we are perfect. And you can put some gravy on top of it. Like that. and very simple and easy to make. So we will have a close-up finished photo is at the end of the cooking show, so you can see better. And if you like the written recipe, and click the show more below the video, and we have an entire recipe for you. And if you like to have a cookbook, and we also have information in the descriptions. So thank you for watching, and try it, and you will enjoy it. This is a delicious recipe. And see you until next program. May God richly bless you.